Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Steve, your host. And in this episode of Am I Smarter Than a Smart Kid? We continue our work on Dragon's PZ3H. It's an older smart kit, I think probably from the early 2000s. And I've done a lot of work on the fenders. I've been kind of dreading this, but it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for stopping by. Okay, we are moving right along with our Sunday side build on Dragon's Panzer III Ausf. This is the smart kit from back, maybe 20, 25 years ago. I've been a bit concerned about working with all the stuff that goes on the fenders, all the tools and the little sub-assemblies that made up assemblies that go on the fender, but no, it went better than I thought it would. One of the things you have to just be careful of is that when you're doing this piece, the call outs are wrong. It has this down. B19 is actually the part, it's listed as B20, where B20 is actually the front of this little toolbox. So this is actually two pieces, whereas in the instructions, they give you the idea that it's just one. The other thing I needed to do was, and again, it was called out, I had to drill some holes underneath, and they're already pre-drilled for you. You just got to finish the job. It was for the no-tech light and the wire cutters. But overall, it's a good looking set of tools. I've been critical of Dragon in the past because I thought their tools were a bit thin, but these look good. I've got these S hooks here for towing. I've got a pry bar. I've got the mount for the jack, I've got the towing block, I've got the rear running light. You can see you get latches on the tools already there that hold the tool in place, and it looks pretty good. The jack, which I was dreading, I managed to knock out. Wasn't as bad as I thought. I still think it's a bit complicated. So I've got all the pieces on it except for the ones when you mount the jack that actually hold the jack in place. But I'll get to those in a minute. One of the things I'm concerned about is will this handle interfere with because the air cleaners or the air vents go here on the hull. I hope I'm not going to have a problem with that. Moving over to the other side, still looks really good. You've got a nice looking axe there with the latches on it. You've got the inertial starter crank, same thing, good looking. You've got the wooden, I'll just call it the antenna canoe for lack of a better term. I'm going to put some wood grain on that. I sanded most of it out. I've still got a little bit of cleanup I need to do on that. Got a good looking shovel. What I really like about this is I did some dry fitting, and I'll bring the lower over, and the attachment, the attachment for the fenders is pretty solid. You can see, I'll just do the one side here. You can see I've got a tab here, and that tab slots into there, and there's a pretty solid connection underneath. Let's see here. It's always there we go, and there's a lot of gluing surface there that'll keep that in place. So I'm looking forward to putting that together. I still need to get downstairs and do some painting on the lower hull, because what I like to do, especially with individual track links, is I like to get the lower hull done, get the tracks painted, install it all, then continue on with the build. And when it comes to painting the rest of the kit, I will just kind of mask that off or hide that under some paper. But overall, it's looking, there's still a lot of pieces. You know, it's not your typical Tamiya kit. It's shaping up. It's getting there. Maybe I am as smart as a smart kid, and I'll take that. But I think I'm getting there. You guys enjoy the rest of the day. We'll see you then. Bye now.